Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare chicken Hakka noodles, a recipe where the noodles are tossed with chicken, vegetables, sauces and seasonings. So let's get started. In a pot, take some water, add salt, vegetable oil and bring it to boil. Then add the noodles and boil them for 5 to 6 minutes. You can check if the noodles are cooked or not by taking few strands of noodles and press it. If it breaks easily, that means it's cooked. Turn off the heat. Drain into a colander and rinse it under cold running water. This will help keep the noodles loose and it will not become sticky or gummy. Keep aside and let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add vinegar, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, some chili sauce and give it a good mix. Keep aside for later use. Now let's prepare the chicken. Heat a wok and add some vegetable oil. I have taken some boneless chicken which are cut into small pieces and marinated in dark soy sauce, vinegar, salt and pepper for 30 minutes. Add it to the wok and spread well so that it's cooked evenly and fried for a minute. Now stir the chicken and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. The chicken has started changing the color from light brown to golden brown, which means that the chicken is almost done. So now we can remove it and keep it for later use. In the same wok, add some vegetable oil. Once it's heated, add 1 dry red chili broken into half. Let it crackle and then add some finely chopped garlic and fry it till it turns brown in color. Add largely sliced onions and fry them for 30 seconds. We don't want it to be overcooked, we just want the onions to be lightly fried. Add some julienne cut carrots, some thinly sliced French beans and stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt so that the vegetables cook faster. Now that the vegetables have started becoming a bit softer, add some cut mushrooms, finely shredded cabbage, stir well and fry till the mushrooms turn caramelized. Now that the vegetables have started to turn softer, I'm just adding a handful of capsicum to it. Fry it for a minute. Add some freshly ground pepper, some MSG, and this is completely optional. Now let's add the chicken. Give it a good mix. Then add the boiled noodles. Now toss everything together. add the sauce which we prepared earlier and mix it well. Let's add some salt as per taste, keeping in mind that we have added salt to vegetables and chicken, and we added some soy sauce too. Lastly, add some spring onions and give it a good mix. Enjoy the chicken Hakka noodles prepared by Monaseasternkitchen. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.